This one-day Ayurvedic routine is what your body needs in a month. During this lockdown, most of us have time on our hands, so I couldn't think of a better time to get you started with these practices. Of course, due to the unavailability of the products online, I have provided lockdown alternatives at every step so that you do not have an excuse to skip it. Although the focus of this age-old routine is on body care and self-love, but skin glow, radiance and mental peace are some of its positive side effects. This rejuvenating routine is for both men and women. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Just how you take your vehicle for servicing, even your body needs that service and care from you. However, considering our busy lifestyles, I have tried to design this routine in such a way that it can be executed practically and in an efficient manner. So just 1 hour in the morning of an off day will get the job done. Alright then, let's begin. Shall we? After waking up in the morning, drink water, go freshen up. Now let us do Abhyang. What's Abhyang? It's self-massage, it's self-love. For that we will heat sesame oil, the king of oils, to just the right temperature. It's okay if you do not have sesame oil right now. You can use any pure oil like coconut or mustard. So the oil is ready, let's jump in. Prefer massaging under sunlight, but if it's not possible, do it indoors. The key to massage lies in its correct technique. Basically, you have to move your hands towards the direction of your heart. Like when massaging the neck, hand should move down. And while massaging the legs, hand should move up. This is the right way to massage according to the Ayurvedic scriptures. Move your hands clockwise, anti-clockwise or both while massaging your stomach and back. Do not forget to oil your navel. Hatha Yoga Pratipika mentions that the belly button is the focal point of 72,000 nadis or veins. It's called the Agni Sthana, or the seat of the Agni, where the prana or the life force energy that supports digestion, formation and elimination of urine resides. Lubricating it has unbelievable benefits. Foot massage is also very important. According to Ashtanga Hridayam, the classical Ayurvedic text, the 4 major nerves of the eyes are connected to the feet. So massaging the feet properly improves eye health, which further relaxes the mind. Many of us miss out on applying oil to our nails, considering them to be dead tissues. Don't do that. Ayurveda considers nails to be an outgrowth of Asti Dhatu, approximate to bone tissue, and applying oil on nails, massaging them adds strength to them. Even our hair is an outgrowth of Asti Dhatu. This is also the reason why rubbing nails together is effective in reducing hair fall. One more thing which should be noted is that while doing body massage, hair massage is prohibited. Don't worry, something special is coming up for the hair. So after spending about 10 minutes doing Abhyang, let's go to the kitchen and prepare something to nourish our hair and face. For hair, what I recommend using is sour curd. How do you get sour curd? Simply keep it out a day before you follow this routine. If you forget or something, don't worry, add lemon juice to fresh curd, that will also do. For face, we will make a face pack which has passed the test of time for generations. To start with, take 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Gram flour is most effective in brightening the skin tone. If gram flour does not suit your skin, you can use whole wheat flour instead. Mix 1 tablespoon of sour curd in it. Curd being rich in lactic acid, it's a natural bleaching agent. Next goes in a pinch of turmeric. Known for its antiseptic properties, turmeric repairs any skin damage. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. Honey has this amazing quality to open up the pores and unclog them of dead skin cells. Next goes in half a teaspoon of pure sandalwood powder. It's cooling for the skin, reducing any inflammation. In case you do not have it, no problem. Skip it for now. Finally, add rose water to make it a paste-like consistency. Rose water is a natural toner. Last, we'll give it a good mix and it's good to go. Now with this nourishing face pack and little sour curd for the hair, let's go to the washroom. Now we will apply this magical face mask onto our face. Rub it in the opposite direction of your hair for better results. Exfoliate in a circular motion for a few seconds. Each ingredient holds its individual significance, so even if you miss out on 1 or 2, do not worry. Alright, now let it get set. As our hair and skin are being nourished, we will move to the next step. One more thing, try to remain silent as the face pack is on. You can tune into music until it dries up. Here I am again in my kitchen and I am heating approximately 1/4 bucket of tap water for washing the much neglected feet. We would also need some rock salt. If due to lockdown you do not have it readily, you can go ahead with normal table salt. Also in a small bowl, put some sugar and half a squeezed lemon. You will know about it a little while later. Keep a towel handy with you. Pour the hot water in a bucket and put 2 tablespoons of salt in it. Now place your both feet completely submerged in it. Obviously, keep the water as hot as you are comfortable with. Salt water feet soaking has numerous benefits. Charak Samhita in chapter 5 of Sutrasthana mentions how cleaning feet promotes intelligence, brings about purity and longevity. Meanwhile, take some sugar and using a squeezed lemon, scrub the dirt off your elbows. It's effective and fun to do. Probably this is the only beneficial use of refined sugar that I can imagine. In the same way, scrub the dead skin off your neck, although be a little gentler this time. After about 10-15 minutes, pull the feet out and using a pumice stone, scrub this area to get rid of the dead skin. If you don't have a pumice stone, use a discarded toothbrush instead. Clearly your nails would be softer by this time, so if need be, this is the best time to cut them. After you are done, simply use a hand towel to dry the feet. I am always amazed to see how clean they become. Meanwhile, you would notice that your hair and face pack has also dried up. So now it's time to take a bath. Use a mild, toxin-free shampoo to wash off your hair. And probably if you have some left, you can even apply the face mask on your whole body instead of a soap for this day. After bath, you would clearly notice your hair much more softer and skin glowing. Yeah, it works. Now get ready. Moving towards the final steps, cleansing the eyes and nourishing the brain. Now these are the steps that you can do when you get 10 to 15 minutes of free time, or probably before going to sleep at night. Choose as per your comfort. Let's start with brain. It's called Nasya, considered one of the 5 great cleansings in Ayurveda. You would need Malkangni oil, also known as Jyotishmati Tel. Using a dropper, put 2 drops in each of your nostrils and breathe in. Malkangni is a herb which is highly regarded in Ayurveda for brain power. The seeds of this plant are extracted, cold pressed to get the oil, which is then used to enhance the capability of the brain. If you do not have Malkangni oil, as of now, replace it with mustard oil. For monthly cleansing of eyes, Mahatriphala Ghrit is the best. Mahatriphala Ghrit is a powerful classical medicine and effective combination of cow ghee and dozen other herbs that calms the heat and taps the dryness of the eyes. Using a dropper again, put 2 drops of it in each of your eyes. Let it seep in. Your vision will go hazy. That's when you know it's done. Close your eyes for at least 10 minutes. You can probably listen to pleasing music, but your eyes need to be closed to let it work. Until you can't arrange Mahatriphala Ghrit due to lockdown, leave this step. Now let's talk about a couple of honorable mentions. First is cleansing the ears. No doubt ears are an important organ of our body and their periodic cleansing is vital. However, because the Karan Puran practice is recommended under the supervision of a practitioner, especially when you are starting out, we will drop it off here. Probably we will talk about it in some other video. And the second is Gandush, commonly known as oil pulling. Adding this in the honorable mentions only because I have discussed about oil pulling in detail couple of times on this channel. Yes, you should include oil pulling in this routine, there is no doubt about it. As per Ayurvedic scriptures, it is probably the best practice for your oral health. All you need to do is fill your mouth with cold pressed sesame or coconut oil and swish it in and around your mouth for about 10 minutes and then throw it out. Just to recap, once a month, probably on a holiday, after waking up in the morning, drink water. Then freshen up and then oil pull. Then heat up sesame oil for self body massage. Do oil and massage your navel. Don't forget to massage your feet and nails as well. Then apply sour curd on the hair and gram flour based face pack on the face. Heat up water to cleanse the feet. Put some rock salt in it. Along with it, using sugar and squeezed lemon, cleanse off your elbows and neck. Scrub your feet using pumice stone or a discarded toothbrush. Take bath. Wash off your hair with a mild, toxin-free shampoo. For brain and nose, practice Nasya. Put drops of Malkangni oil in each of your nostrils. For cleansing the eyes, put 2 drops of Mahatriphala Ghrit in each of your eyes. Of course, there are quite a few products used in this routine, but all of them combined will cost you less than 1000 rupees and will serve you for more than a year. That's less than your car's one service. And once you execute this routine properly, you won't need much convincing for the next time. I can promise you that. Your body and mind will respond with such a sense of satisfaction that you will say, yes, I did something right today. So do it, and don't forget to come back here and share with everyone what you experienced after doing it. I will be waiting. Just like this routine is to pamper the body, Auric's body defense drink is a blend of powerful herbs like amla, gotu kola and haldi to pamper the immune system. At a time like now, we understand how significant it is to have good immunity. Auric is offering you a 3-month subscription pack at an unheard price of 2775. This is a special lockdown price only for the FitTuber community. Auric has 4 other drinks as well. for skin, hair, weight and mind. All these 5 drinks by Auric are safe and probably the best in the market. Just use the coupon code FTAuric and 24 bottles of any of these drinks would be delivered to your doorstep every month. I highly recommend you try them, especially the immunity one. To try Auric, click on the link down in the description box. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, then please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. What next would you like to see on this channel? Comment below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can now support my work on Patreon so that I can bring more well-researched videos for you. You can also follow me on Instagram where I regularly do Q&A sessions. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.